Unlike vehicles with an internal combustion engine, the Nissan Leaf is powered by electricity instead of gasoline. As a result, there are many unique systems and operating characteristics to be aware of when operating your vehicle. Your vehicle is equipped with 2 batteries, a high-voltage lithium-ion battery for driving the vehicle, and a traditional 12-volt battery for powering systems such as the radio, headlights, and windshield wipers. The lithium-ion battery also charges the 12-volt battery under certain conditions. When the EV system is off for an extended time, the 12-volt battery may still be regularly charged for a short period of time. Another difference between the Leaf and gasoline-powered vehicles is sound. While there is no traditional engine noise, you may notice some sounds unique to electric vehicle operation. These include traction motor noise while operating the vehicle, water pump and radiator fan activation while charging, compressor and radiator fan usage when the climate control timer is on, relay operation sounds and vibrations at startup and shutdown, and a tone to alert pedestrians when the vehicle is driven at low speeds. Numerous factors affect the charge and performance of your vehicle. Here are some things you can do to maximize driving range. Accelerate smoothly and drive at moderate speeds. Keep the tires inflated to the correct pressure and the wheels in the correct alignment. Follow recommended periodic maintenance. Turn off the climate control system when it is not needed. Preheat or pre-cool the cabin while the vehicle is charging to minimize the use of the climate control system while driving. Remove unnecessary cargo. Outside temperature is also an important consideration. Do not store the vehicle in temperatures below -13 degrees Fahrenheit for over 7 days. If this occurs, the lithium-ion battery may freeze, and it cannot be charged or provide power to run the vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.